Welcome back to the channel, and this project brings me to Tahuya, Washington at the Sahale Learning Center to replace a well worn out footbridge. As you'll see coming up here, the original beams for the bridge were logs from the property, and they had long since rotted away. In fact, the only thing holding up this bridge was actually the hand railing, and once I released that hand railing, the beams sagged quite a bit. Once all this old decking was removed, it was time to get rid of these beams. So we brought in some heavy equipment for that process. With the old beams now removed and the area cleared, it was time to bring in the new beams. These were also trees sourced from the property, and I was looking forward to getting this build started.
This is when
That is Pam there in the white shirt, and Pam and I are going to be building this bridge together, and I'm looking forward to getting this project started. With day one in the books, we demolished the old bridge, got it removed, and got the beams in for the new bridge. And that wraps it up. One thing I really enjoy on my projects are the locations that it brings me to. And this is me camped right near that bridge in this beautiful location in Tahuya, Washington. Well, day two begins with laying the decking down. And so we got that started and was making really quick progress, but this was going to turn into a very, very long day. But this was important to get this done in 2 days. And here we are getting this wrapped up. I love how this bridge came out, and I'm really excited to get back to the property and see it in use. I really appreciated working with Pam on this bridge and getting this project done. There was a lot of help from a number of different people on the property during this project that I did not get their names, but we got this wrapped up and it came out fantastic, and that is it. That was my time at Sahale Learning Center, Tahuya, Washington. Thanks for watching.